Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to embed YouTube video in Canva. I will embed YouTube video in my website. You can embed YouTube video in your presentation or any other project. So let's get started. To embed YouTube video in Canva, first of all I will add a page under this section. In the left hand menu, scroll down, click on apps, search YouTube and hit enter. Click on YouTube. To embed YouTube video, we need YouTube video ID. I will show you how to find YouTube video ID. Look at the URL in the address bar. The YouTube video ID is after V equal sign in the URL. This is the YouTube ID. Copy that. Then paste it here. Hit enter. This video is here. Click on this video. This video is successfully embedded. Let me show you. Click on preview. See, here is this video. We can play this video as well. In this video, I will let me show you another way. To embed YouTube video, add text, select the text, click on the link. You have to paste here YouTube video link. We can copy video link from here and click on share and copy the video link here as well. Paste the video link and hit enter. A display mode, click on that, click on link, click on embed. Video is successfully embedded. That's how we can embed YouTube video in Canva. If this tutorial is helpful, please subscribe our channel.